Hi friends, welcome to SO Knowledge Center. Today we are going to discuss the topic Lokayukta. In this video we will cover what is Lokayukta, who shall be appointed as Lokayukta, and what are the powers and functions of Lokayukta, and how the complaints are resolved by the Lokayukta. And what is Lokayukta? Lokayukta is a state anti-corruption ombudsman to look into complaints against government officers or abuse or misuse of administrative power by executive. And what is corruption? Corruption is the abuse of trust in the interest of private gain, and it includes bribery, lobbying, extortion, cronyism, nepotism, etc. And this study conducted by Transparency International in 2005, more than 62% of the Indians had at some point spent their money for the work done by public officers as bribe. And as per study of Corruption Perceptions Index in 2020, our country ranked 86th out of 180 in terms of corruption. And in the year 1968, the Government of India, on the basis of the Administrative Reforms Commission report and its recommendation, established the institution of Lokayukta on the pattern of Ombudsman. And Lokpal is in the national level and Lokayukta is in state level. Lokayukta acts same as Lokpal in the state. Let us know the main objectives for the institution of Lokayukta. This body is constituted to check the menace of corruption in the state and to improve the standards of public administration in India. At the same time, Lokayukta protects the citizens' right against maladministration, corruption, delay, inefficiency, non-transparency, abuse of position, improper conduct, etc. For example, if we are asked or demanded a bribe by a public officer at any of the government office such as Taluka, Collector Office, Municipal Corporation and District Revenue Office, etc., for the certificate of income, caste, birth, or death, etc., we can make a complaint against the government officer. And another example, funds have been sanctioned for the construction of roads or any other public places like school, parks, etc., but it didn't take place, then we can get remedy or information from the Lokayukta by raising a complaint. Let us know the structure of Lokayukta. For the creation of Lokayukta and provisions of the Lokayukta Acts varies from state to state on the basis of bill of legislation, and structure of Lokayukta is not same in all states. There are several states like Rajasthan, Maharashtra which do have Upalokayukta in addition to Lokayukta, and powers of the Lokayukta also differ from state to state. Then we have to know the salient features of Lokayukta. The most prominent feature of the institution of Lokayukta are independence from executive control and informal procedure, that is, procedure held in local language, and easy accessibility to complaints, and almost free and prompt services to the citizens. In Andhra Pradesh, the AP Lokayukta Act 11 of 1983 came into force with effect from 1st November 1983, and this institution starts functioning from 15th November in the same year. Let us know the appointment and composition of Lokayukta. It consists of 3 members and 1 chairperson. Lokayukta and Upalokayukta shall be appointed by the Governor of State with the consent of Chief Justice of High Court and the Leader of Opposition in State Legislation Assembly for the 5 years period. Former Chief Justice of High Court or former Judge of Supreme Court are the qualified persons for the post of Lokayukta, and a district judge is qualified person for the post of Upalokayukta. And once appointed Lokayukta cannot be dismissed or transferred by the government and can only be removed by passing an impeachment motion by the State Assembly. We need to know how complaint be made. Any citizen can make complaint of allegation of corruption against government officials to Lokayukta directly, and complaint of an allegation should be made within 6 years. If complaint made after expiry of 6 years, it shall not be investigated by the Lokayukta. And every legislature have their own fixed forms to make a complaint, and number of forms have been submitted shall be prescribed in the respective state legislation. For instance, let us see Andhra Pradesh complaint forms. According to Andhra Pradesh Lokayukta Act 1983, we have to submit 2 forms. In Form 1, details of complainant, aggrieved person and particulars of the complaint be filled up. And Form 2 is an affidavit or self-declaration of the complainant which should be attested. And in another way, you can contact your nearest anti-corruption official in person or through telephone or even email. What are the functions of Lokayukta? There are three modes for the Lokayukta and Upalokayukta to act for taking up investigation of administrative actions. Firstly, any citizen or aggrieved person can make a complaint. Secondly, the Lokayukta or Upalokayukta suo motu can take investigation on the basis of information by him otherwise than by way of complaint like newspaper reports, etc. Thirdly, the Lokayukta and Upalokayukta act on reference from the governor. And Lokayukta may also inquire into allegations against public functionaries including CM, MLA, MLC and ministers, and the inquiry includes complaint of corruption, favoritism and indiscipline also. In some states, it has power to make inquiry about police department as well. It has function to investigate and resolve the complaints within 6 months. If there is reasonable cause, it extends up to 1 year, but it should not exceed the period of 1 year from the complaint made. Lokayukta is an effective instrument in the hands of public to curb the evil of maladministration and corruption, and also Lokayukta and Upalokayukta helps the democracy to serve its motto to the full extent. Thank you friends. Share, like, subscribe our channel SR Knowledge Center.